And ladies and gentlemen, here's your kick. Magic.
How are you doing, guys?
So I'm gonna take this kick. I'm gonna lower actually over here. I'm gonna lower it here by now. 5-3. And I'm gonna steal his kick. That's basically what we're gonna do. So I let it play, and I'm looking for like the cleanest part of the track. And I think it's... Now I'm looking for like the cleanest kick. Maybe here. Okay, there we have no low end. So definitely it would be here in the start of the track. So back to the start of the track. And here is one of those cleanest ones. So let's put it out. Let's put the imager on top of that. Here we go. Now let's come into the kick and let's, put that little transient here in the beginning. Remove this. You can actually keep this whole thing. That doesn't matter. Now, first thing I'm going to do also, I'm going to be using the master rebalance. I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to say that I don't want any baseline. I just want the kick. Okay, so that's the first thing. So it reduces the bass. Then, I'm going to be using imager here. And I'm going to set the preset to 4 bands. I'm going to solo this first one, click on the channel, and duplicate. Unsolo this one, solo this one, duplicate. Same thing, solo, solo. Nothing else. Just as is, default 4 bands. And same thing here, last one, and unsolo. Now, just triple check on this last one. If it did what I wanted to do. It didn't. But now we have the high end of the kick. High mid of the kick. Low mid of the kick. And low end. So what I want to do now, actually I don't need this and this on those two. And I'm just going to highlight all of these. I'm right click. I'm going to say freeze. I'm going to wait until it's done. Let's just fast forward. Amazing little tool. And now when it's done, I'm gonna flatten. And now what I have is the nice low end of the kick. The high mid. Just like I tested before. And all of these. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. I know I don't need this end of the low end. So let's just delete it. Let's fade it out. There we go. Then I don't need this whole part at all. I just need a nice click. And then we need this click. And we need this click. Now let's play it all together. It's not super clean. But we have a nice kick. And now I'm just going to group this. Create a new audio track. Here we go. 1/4. Actually, on the group, I can come in with the low end focus and just give it a little bit more low end. Because I think it deserves a little bit more low end. And I want to make it punchy. Let's just give that contrast up. And some gain. Beautiful. And I'm going to send this group to the 7 audio here. Click here. Record. And record. Boom. And ladies and gentlemen, here's your kick. Magic. So now we have that kick. Let's call it kick. We have that audio. We don't need this anymore. Let's create the MIDI track. Let's actually put it into that MIDI track so it's easier for us to use. Copy this. And we have a kick. Now I don't need this anymore. Let's make a bar. Insert MIDI clip. So I have a loop of my kicks. Let's put it to 138. Now it's a little bit low, right? The volume, so I can put it up. And let's give this some really simple baseline.